Good morning, students. In last period, we have started first lesson. Lesson name is Functions and Parts of a Computer. In that, we have covered IPO cycle. We'll revise once. So, computer works on the IPO cycle, that is input, processing, out. Input. Data entered into a computer is called input. It could be a numbers, letter, picture, or even sound. After entering a data, program. Now this term is new for you. Program. What is a program? A set of a logical instruction given to a computer to perform a particular task is called a program. And when the computer works on data according to instruction, that is the program, is called processing. And output, information generated by a processed data is called output. So this is the cycle: input, data plus program, processing according to program means all instructions, and output, that is we are getting information. Understanding? Now parts of a computer. A computer is made up of input devices, processing unit, and output devices. In example of a flour mill, we have seen that food grain is the input and we are putting it in a funnel. Hence the funnel is the input device. The grinder grinds it. It means it is a processing unit. And the opening from where the flour comes out, it is the output devices. And the computer also divided into many devices: input devices, output devices, storage devices, and processing devices. In a computer, a keyboard and mouse are used to enter data and instruction into a computer. Hence, they are the input devices. In human being, input given to brain by five sense of organ. As you can see on the screen: eyes, nose, tongue, ear, skin. Similarly, in computer, input given to a brain of a computer, that is a CPU, by keyboard and mouse. So we will see the input devices. What is mean by input devices? Input devices means that are the enter information into a computer, and these keyboard and mouse are the most common input devices. One by one we'll see. First, keyboard. The keyboard is a flat rectangular board with the more than 100 keys on it. These keys can be classified as follows: letter keys A to Z, number keys 0 to 9, keys for the mathematical operation, keys for punctuation marks, keys for special symbols like dollar, hash, at the rate, cursor keys also called as arrow keys, function keys from F1 to F12, special keys like enter, shift, alt, delete, etc. Next input device, mouse. The mouse is a plum-sized plastic device with 2 or 3 buttons on it. The left mouse button is most frequently used button. The mouse is kept and moved over the mouse pad for its smooth functioning. On its underside there is a spherical rubber ball which moves as you move the mouse over the mouse pad. The mouse is connected to the CPU with the cable. When you move the mouse, the movement of the ball on its underside is converted into data which is sent to CPU through the cable. It is then that mouse shows where you are working on the screen or points to the location on the screen. Hence, the mouse is also known as a pointing device. How to hold the mouse? As you see in the screen, your index finger should be on left button and your middle finger should on a right button. Left click, double click, right click, drag and drop, and scrolling. These are the actions of a mouse. These two input devices. There are many input devices are there: joystick, barcode reader. Next is microphone. These all comes in input devices. Output devices. There are the common output devices: monitor and printer. The monitor displays the output while a printer prints the output on the paper. First one, monitor. Monitor looks like a TV screen, like your television screen. It is connected to the CPU with the cable, and it has a switch button like a power button to on it and off it. And monitor is also known as a visual display unit, as it shows visually, so it's called as a visual display unit. Next is printer. A printer can print both text as well as picture. The printed copy of the text or picture is called hard copy. This is because the copy stored by the computer or displayed on the screen is called soft copy. There are the three types of the printer. First, dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. First one, dot matrix printer. A dot matrix printer has a small set of the needle like pin to print words or pictures. The words or the pictures are printed in the form of a dot and it becomes a character. Most dot printers are print in the black and white, and a dot matrix printer is very noisy and slow. Inkjet printer. The head of the inkjet printer has tiny holes on it, and the tiny holes of ink is sprayed out of these holes to print the words or the picture of the paper. In the printers can print in the both black and white as well as color. In inkjet printer, it is quite cheap, easy to use, and quite than the dot matrix printer. Laser printer. A laser printer prints the word or the picture with the help of a laser beam. It is the best printer available today for a good quality printing. A laser printer prints the whole page at once. A laser printer is costlier than the inkjet printer, but it prints at a high speed. Some of the other output devices, projector, headphone. Now have some question. Solve the following activity, that is the match the following input devices and output devices.